Hey, it's Thursday, which means it's our Thursday question of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we have a question from Zahid. And he asks, how do you build big chest muscles at the gym? So there's a couple of things that go with building big chest muscles. The first thing is going to be how many calories you're eating. If you want to get bigger, then you have to feed your muscles more protein. And so that's going to be the first thing, increasing your calorie intake. Once you do that, you're going to have to change the way you lift. Ideally, if you want to build big chest muscles, then you're going to have to lift weighted exercise machines at the gym or free weights or whatever. You're not going to be able to get away with a big chest with doing push-ups, for example. So you want to go to the gym, and what you want to do is load up on the weight but decrease the reps. Okay, so building big muscles for bulking people, it's going to be high weight and low repetitions. Low repetitions generally means around 5 to 7 reps. You want to be able to finish it, but you want it to be heavy enough that by rep 3 or 4, if you're doing 5 reps, that you're starting to feel it and you gotta have to like push through a little bit. So those are going to be the main things that have to do with building a bigger chest. And really, you can mix it up with any weighted exercise, whether it's a upper chest machine, you can do bench press, you can do dumbbells, any chest exercise. That's going to be the main thing. So increasing your calorie intake and then lifting heavier, fewer repetitions. Okay, I hope that helps. I had a blast making this video for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.